Hi guys, and welcome to Tech Anorak. So I think I'm going to make this a weekly feature where I'll just talk about what's on my mind in tech. I love tech products. Obviously, I'm a tech YouTuber. Been testing this Motorola Razr this week, and here's my old Pixel 4a, which is coming up for a year old. I've had this. The phone's over a year old. I think they came out in August last year, the model itself. But yeah, as I say, this I think it would be a good feature just so that I can talk about tech and hopefully get some interaction going in the comments and see what other people are interested in this week as well. So let's get into it. But yeah, I've just been thinking about what device I want next. So I've been loaned this from Motorola. You might have seen my video on this. It's a Moto Razr 5G, and really nice device. I'm going to do a proper review on it. I don't think this form factor's for me. So I did really want a Z Flip 3. But yeah, I don't think this gives you any more than this, really. I mean, this is probably good for ladies because you can put it in a bag. But as a man, I can fit a phone like that in my pocket. I can fit a 6.7-inch device in my pocket. This is only a small Pixel 4a. So for me, yeah, it's cool. It folds in half, and I do like foldables, but I'm more interested in the Z Fold 3 and any other foldable devices that come out, because yeah, this is cool, but that bit's good. But once the novelty wears off of unfolding it, a few times, you then you've just got a candy bar phone when it's open. It's no different really. So my plan is I'm going to see what Google announce on the 19th of October. So I'm thinking maybe get the Pixel 6 or the Pixel 6 Pro, see if there is a foldable Pixel. But if not, I think my next phone that I need to save up for maybe is the Z Fold 3. As that's two phones in one really. You've got a big 6.7-inch device that's still nice and thin. It's probably as thin as a Pixel, I believe, or maybe thinner, that outer screen. And then, how cool is it that it would fold out to like a device that's about this width, and then you've got a tablet to play with. For me, I do everything on my phones. I video edit, obviously record, I game on them, I check social media. I don't get a laptop out anymore. I've got an iPad Pro upstairs, and I've got a Samsung S6 Lite tablet. Don't really use them, to be honest, guys. I just use phones because I've got a little daughter, and if I've got a big, expensive iPad near her, she's probably going to throw it, damage it. You risk that. I suppose the Z Fold 3 would be the same, but at least, these foldables, you can use them folded, and then, if she gets hold of it, it's probably not going to be as bad as throwing an iPad. But yeah, what I'm trying to say is I don't see the idea. I don't see it's a good idea dropping, $1,500 or $1,200 around that on a candy bar style phone, or even a flip phone, because they're not really giving you that much functionality. The iPhone 13 Pro Max, for instance, they go up to $2,000 when you spec them out to 1 terabyte, and that doesn't really turn me on. That same with, I'm not just going for Apple. I mean, the S21 Ultra is expensive as well, and all right, it's got amazing cameras on the back, but I've got a better camera than that in my DJi Osmo pocket, or if you've got a dedicated camera, it's always going to be better than a smartphone. So yeah, I'm going to see what the Google Pixel 6 is like, but I think if you're going to spend that much money, get something that's cutting edge, and the Z Fold 3 for me is the GOAT at the moment. That is the best phone you can get. It's still got really good cameras. They're not on par with the S21 Ultra, but they're not far off, I believe, and you do get free lenses on them. But that functionality is amazing, and you've still got the S Pen experience, which is awesome, and it's a bigger canvas than an S21 Ultra as well to play with, or a Note. Also, a thing that's attractive with the Z Fold 3 and the Flip, you can do the upgrade program. So I think it's a 2-year contract or maybe a 36-month contract, but you can upgrade after a year, which is pretty cool. So say, you get the Z Flip or Z Fold free for 12 months, and you can get the Z Fold 4 and the Z Flip 4. So I think that's a good way of doing it, So these are just my thoughts anyway, guys. So, and yeah, other tech products I've been interested in. I keep thinking, do I need a proper camera yet? Because I'm a YouTuber, obviously, and I'm getting by though using smartphones and this new Osmo Pocket. So I have been looking at mirrorless cameras and DSLRs, but I don't know if I need one, guys. I think I'm just going to concentrate on the phones. Okay, other tech I'm interested in at the moment. So the DJi Osmo Action or the GoPro 10, wouldn't mind testing one of those. I've never actually used an action camera or reviewed one, so that would be interesting. So yeah, another device I'm interested in at the moment is the DJi Mavic Mini, so the Mini 2 drone, and you can get the Fly More combo for about £550 in the UK, which is really good. You get an extra free batteries, a case. I believe you get extra propellers and stuff, and you get a big battery hub as well, big charger for your batteries. So that's interesting to me. My brother's got an Air 2, and yeah, I think it'd be a good hobby, and also I could, do some aerial shots for my channel, maybe even feature drones as, regular reviews. I'm just getting into cinematography. I'm, really enjoying filming things, which I've always liked using smartphone cameras, but yeah, through the process of YouTube and being a creator, I'm loving filming things. It's just, took it away from just loving phones. The process of filming things has been really enjoyable to me. And the last thing, guys, it's more of a question and something I've been thinking about. I've got an Xbox One, and I don't even really get too much chance to play that with having a little girl and things. But are you bothered about the latest consoles? The PS5, obviously, if you can get them due to stock, they're really expensive. For me, and the Series X, but you're spending all that money, and there's not really that many exclusive games. All they do is they just look better. They've got better graphics. Obviously, they've got better components and performance, but at the moment, I'm not interested, really. I think I was looking at the Series S because they're cheap, but again, I've got an Xbox One X, so Series S is only a bit better than that. It's going to, I think it's 1440p. It renders games in, and it does have the smart stay, I think it's called, or it's like, quick load. You can just resume straight away. But yeah, it doesn't really interest me, but tell me what you think in the comments about that, guys, as well. So yeah, I think I'll make this a weekly feature. I'll just talk tech and give you my thoughts on, what I'm interested in at the moment, and hopefully get a bit of a discussion going on, guys. So yeah, please, feedback in the comments. Ask me anything if you want to talk about the topics I've raised, or tell me about the tech that you're interested in. And then, I just like interacting with people in the community. It's just really cool to chat with YouTube viewers. Something I really enjoy. All right, guys. So enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks for watching. Tech Anorak out. Take care.